Hey everyone, it's Danielle Taylor with Keller Williams Realty here on the beautiful Outer Banks. Please meet Jennifer Dixon from Goose Head Insurance. So one of the things that I'm seeing lately for my clients is we're starting to see some quotes come in higher than we had expected. Can you talk to us a little bit about what might be changing and why we're seeing that?
Yes, we've had a mass exodus of carriers leaving the Outer Banks, basically because of the risk. So that's causing our premiums to rise. Our options are fewer. Premiums rates are increasing just because everything else is increasing. The cost of living is increasing. The cost of paying out your carrier's employees is increasing. So like everything that is trending in this direction, your premiums are rising as well. The prior claims history and insurance scores are starting to make a huge impact on premiums. We're going to see carriers who are taking a look at that. Not only are they saying, hey, we're willing to take the risk on the Outer Banks, but they're then going to look at the individual themselves and say, hey, does this person love to use their insurance? Or did this person have a lapse previously? They're not really our cup of tea. If we take them on, we're going to raise their rate.
Oh, okay. So they're going to start almost like a credit score. Like when you're going to a lender, they're going to give you an insurance score. So what are there things that homeowners can do to help themselves, to help their rates be the best they can possibly be?
Absolutely. Storm mitigation is huge out here. You have those storm shutters that roll down. They have to be on every single opening. So every garage door, every front door, back door, sliding doors, any windows, all of them have to have that. But it does impact the premium greatly. It makes it come down.
Okay.
Fortified roofs are very big right now. So if you have one of those, you could save probably 6 to 8% on your insurance premiums if you were to have a fortified roof. Also, we have replacing those poly pipes.
Right.
That opens you up for better coverage, more carriers. So of course, if you have that opportunity to go in and replace all the piping, if you have that risk, you're gonna have better premiums. Central reporting alarms are great, especially for these secondary homeowners. They're not here, maybe we've had an evacuation. If we have those central reporting alarms, the damage is gonna get sought after a lot faster than someone who doesn't have those. Okay. And going back to the storm shutters, even if you have plywood, that is also considered a storm shutter.
Oh, that's a great point, because a lot of us have that stuff already cut. Make sure your insurance provider knows that. Okay.
Absolutely.
Do hip roofs give you, if you have happen to have a hip roof?
Yes, hip roofs do have better premium rates, so we do want to prefer those hip roofs, but obviously when you're purchasing a home out here, you can't change the shape of the roof.
If you are building, maybe that's something to think about. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And everybody, we're going to have Jennifer's contact information in the link below, so make sure you reach out to her. I know she'd be happy to help.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.